Today I'm working on installing the roof rails. This van did not come with the roof rail, so we had to order it. It's very easy to install. The Sprinter van, Mercedes already pre-drill holes for these, but they plug it with the plastic caps. All you have to do is just drill the hole to the size of the screws that come with the rails, and the rails already pre-drilled the hole to match exactly the hole on the roof of the van. They come in 3 sections, A, B, and C. These are 1-inch channel. You need these. You need the rails. Very important if you plan to install in the future, like your roof racks, your solar panel, your awnings. Yeah, anything that you want to install on top, you need the roof rail here to attach to. So it's very very important for that. It also, the kit comes with these are like foam seal, the waterproof foam that goes under the rail here, and already pre-cut to fit each rail, so it's pretty easy. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, after drilling these holes now, I apply the tape to the back side of the rails here, and then I poked the hole, just a tiny hole through each hole here, so that my screw can go in very easy. But before I put in the screw, so these screws, you can just go ahead screws into the channel, the rail, and it comes out to this side. That's when you get going to insert into the roof, and then you go under the roof, put the nuts and the washer from the bottom, and then you start tying it. But before I screw these in, I'm gonna put the silicone around. Well, actually, I'm gonna put in each holes here before I screw it in, just to extra protection. And also the Vantech, the company that makes this, they guarantee that there won't be water leak on these here that's so tight. And I did this on the other van, how many years now? 6-7 years, no water leaks, so it's pretty good. Okay, now it's time to insert it into the roof. There you go, perfect fit. Okay, now they're in, we're gonna go underneath from the inside and screw from the bottom. Here, let's take a look at how the screw looks like from the top. There. Here's a look from the inside, where you can see you have to put the rails in first before you put your sealing. You make your sealing. So this is perfect timing, it just came. Alright guys, this roof is ready for solar panel, awnings, and everything else. The rails are up on both sides. Yeah. Today I'm going to try to install one of these bunk windows. These are CRL bunk windows, half slide with the net for bugs protection. I order for both sides, the driver and the passenger side. But anyways, they don't make any difference. They just have to have a different part between the driver and the passenger side. It is exactly the same. So if you use the driver side for the passenger, all you have to do is just flip it over on the other side. The sizes are the same, exactly the same. I have to do this one first, even though I ordered two, only one came. That one's on back order, don't know when it's coming. Because on one side I'm going to install my battery and wiring and stuff, and I will need that side done first before I have all the batteries down and then try to reach into cut the windows, which is not a good idea. So I'm gonna do that window first. It's gonna take a while, so I've done this window video before, so I'm gonna skip this and I'll show you when I am done. Just in case you want to see how I create the template for this window. This is the frame where it goes from the inside and you screw it to tighten the window down, and this is where you insert the window into the wall, okay, like this. So this here is the size that you want to cut, which is on the inside here. So I am taping this frame down and I'm gonna trace out right on the outside around the frame right here, and then that's where I'm gonna cut. It's just a tiny bit bigger than this side, so for sure it should fit if I cut it correctly. Anyways, it's better to when you trace it out, use a fine line so you can cut it through. It's easy to follow. Cut a big hole in the van. Moments of truth. A dry fit time. No, just kidding. Oh yeah! Look at this! Perfect. Not even moving. Ups and downs, good. Okay, we're still okay, not loose, just maybe a quarter an inch. Okay, let's tie it up. I mean, smooth it out, and then we put the anti-rust. All right, you guys, this window is done. It was a quick and easy installation. Well, a couple hours of work, but it comes out really nice. And testing it right now with water. Make sure there's no leak. I hope I close the slide. Okay, let's go check it out. Oh yeah, no sign of water. Very cool. Slide. Oops, it's still wet. Okay. All done. Welcome to my workshop, everybody. This is my workshop. So, dog, you gotta run in front of my camera every time I'm recording. Oh, buddy, guys. So excuse you. So I have not done I have not these dogs, I don't know what's going on. Every time I'm recording, they have things to, go, places to go, passing by, back and forth. You guys stayed, okay? Let me talk for a minute. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, back to the business. I got everything here. I got the fridge. I got the AC. I got all the batteries. You have to see the batteries. These are barrel born, but they're brand new, and I can't wait to show you what the new features are on those batteries. In the daytime, it was just too hot. I cannot go up there. And the racks is here. I cannot go install. So I'm thinking about getting up maybe 4 a.m. No, just kidding. Early in the morning, of course. Maybe trying to do something that has to do with the exterior. For right now, I am trying to, since it's cooled down a little bit, I just enjoy it out here where we still have a little bit of light. Doing my making the wire for the batteries and some other wires, and besides that, you can see the window looks great, right? Window is done on one side because the other side is on back order. So the battery is going to be on this side, so I need at least, good thing that side came first. You're wondering why it's like kind of lower than like you see on other van. I'm going to show you why. Later you'll find out why that window is kind of sitting low. What else? A lot to do. Okay, while this is taking too much time, I don't want to bored you out, so I will see you on the next episode. Please subscribe and give me thumbs up if you enjoyed what I've done so far, and subscribe, and so you can follow me on what's coming. It's a lot of other stuff that's very interesting. Okay, all right, see you next episode.